that. They're cool.
Oh.
I mean, I know publicly.
That's the giant dirty mouth. Hey, you getting this, girl?
Got it all.
Ooh, yeah.
You want me to put it on Facebook?
No. Damn, you look, it's gonna be on YouTube.
I know.
I'll put it on. Oh yeah, YouTube. That's better.
Please don't do
I'll put the Colony Fireworks. You're not in it, okay? Just your voice.
Hey,
South Park. Fireworks, not the Collins fireworks.
No, it's the Colony Fireworks. Where is Angie?
That's it.
Ooh.
Have you ever seen him? I've seen him on TV like they do in New York.
We saw him on our
like
roof,
do,
Mike.
Like little shoots of things like a
Mike. Mike.
Blues.
Mike.
What, girl?
We used to watch it from our rooftop with a blender up there.
You could have crawled up today and did that. Wouldn't make sense for you. We thought you was a new chore.
With the squirrels and the raccoons.
Mm-hmm. Your retarded bird.
And my retarded bird. And my chipmunk.
This is long.
Oh, really?
Isn't it beautiful, Frankie?
Yes, it's gorgeous.
Couldn't hear.
Thank you. Oh, look at this.
That's right.
Yeah, here it is.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Oh, my God.
I hear the music now, Peter. I hear the music.
Oh, wow. Oh, that one gave me chills. Ooh, wow. Oh, my God.
I love it.
And when we go home, we're going to find a dead dog because Nestle's having a heart attack. Wow. All right.
Bam. Wouldn't have forgotten.
Oh.
There it went.
Yay, everybody clap.
That was cool.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! Woo! You people don't show up because you're not fire crackly.